Hey guys, Mater35 here on BoxBusters.tv, doing a 2-box break of 2015 draft baseball hobby. Thank you so much for joining tonight. Here we go. Good luck to all of you. It is Saturday, December 19th. A few days away from Christmas. Alright. There we go. Here we go. Last up. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Box one. Box one about to start. Good luck. Here we go. Refractor Matt for the Braves. Another refractor Ryan for the Cubbies. There we go. Austin for the Braves. Riley or blue action chrome. And blue paper. Colby out of 150 for the Braves. Paper out of 150. Refractor Blake for the Nationals. Refractor Jared Foster for the Angels. Mikey White for the Athletics. Blue. Tate for the Red Sox. Refractor. Yankees. Jorge and James for the Yankees. Teams of tomorrow. Still no hit yet. Refractor Forced Wall for the Rockies. Dylan for the Royals. Bowman Scout. Dylan. Refractor Drew Jackson for the Mariners. Alright, let's keep rolling. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies, Bowman Scout. And green. Out of 99, Max Ortel for the Mets. Green refractor. Maximilians. Refractor. Brandon for the Mariners. Oh, and there's our hit. That's a pretty good one. There's our boy, Andrew. Bada bing, bada boom. Isn't that our boy? Isn't that who we're looking for? Andrew. Red Sox. A lot of people. Let's take that one out. It's not the right sleeve. Hold on, give me 1 second. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. There you go. Very clean. Congratulations to the Red Sox. Nice card. This card, we'll slide it over. There we go. Oh. And base. Let's go box 2. Not too bad. Good start. Timber. Little spillage action. Empty. Alright, here we go. Pack's causing me problems. Last pack. Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Refractor, Austin for the Padres. Refractor, Cole Tucker for the Pirates. Green refractor, Kyle Holder for the Yankees. Refractor, Scott for the Phillies. There we go. There's our auto. Nathan, not too bad. Kirby for the Brewers. Congratulations to the Brewers. Nathan Kirby, refractor auto. Congratulations. Alright, alright, alright. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. Nathan Kirby for the Brewers. Alright, set him right there. Let's slide these over. There we go. And kind of display it. Alright, there we go. Colton for the Angels refractor. Lucas for the Nationals. Bowman Scouts. Refractor, Jake for the Cardinals. Refractor, Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. Alex Reyes action for the Cardinals. There we go. Russell for the Royals. Bluish refractor. Oh, there we go. Purple. Drew Jackson out of 250. Purple. For the Mariners. Marlins, excuse me. Mariners. Not Marlins, Mariners. Alright, last stack, guys. Here we go. Nick for the Cardinals. Trey and Andrew for the Red Sox. Refractor, Nelson for the Indians. Jorge for the Phillies. And that's it. Alright guys, here's a recap of the break. Two nice hits, Andrew and Nathan for break number 1 for December 19th, 2015. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Just got done finished up 2 boxes of 2015 draft baseball. Here's our 2 hits. Congratulations to those 2 teams. It's Mater35 here on BoxBusters.tv. We'll be back for the second break. Thanks, guys.